So what do you think? What's the difference between having a project or a program or a portfolio? A project, I will be saying the official definition, okay? So it will feel like it's a philosophy, okay? But it's okay. It is a temporary endeavor that will be having a specific start and specific end. So it's something will be taking place temporarily within a specific dates of starting and completion dates in order to deliver a unique product or a service or an artifact or whatever. Okay? So temporary endeavor, specific start, specific end. There is a completion, there is a product that should be unique. That's why I'm having a project, and that's why I know when I will finish, because I know that I'll be delivering a specific unique product or result or whatever, right? And this will happen within the circumstances of the three competing objectives. Competing objectives, later on we'll explain what is that, but the three are scope, cost, and schedule, covered by the quality requirements. Cool, to satisfy specific stakeholders. This is the definition of the project. When it comes to program, it is starting acting as an environment or a system. Like the project is a part of a program, means that it is a group of related projects or interrelated projects that, if they managed together under the same umbrella, will be delivering better benefits than if it's compared by managing a project separately. A portfolio, it's a group of programs and projects and sub-programs which, if they are managed together, will serve better benefits than being served individually. So those are the systems where we are operating. If you're managing a project, you are managing a project most probably within an environment, and you need to take care of those systems and those environments.